Everyone, it's Shannon with Shannon's Crafty DIYs. Welcome to my channel. Today I am in an open challenge. It is called Hello Harvest. I am going to go over the hosts and the playlist link in just a little bit in the video. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. Here is where I love to do really easy, budget-friendly home decor DIYs. I also love to do thrift flips. I also love to do shopping hauls as well. So if you do like that sort of content, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and give me a big thumbs up if you do like this content. So let's jump right into the DIYs. I have 3 fall DIYs to share with you today. So the first one, you guys have known, I think I bought this last year though. They did come out again this year at the Dollar Tree. I bought this wooden pumpkin. It also came in a maple leaf as well. So I do have that also. Here I'm just cleaning up the rough edges using I love my diamond nail file from the Dollar Tree, cleaning it all up. Now, there's 2 sides of this pumpkin. I actually really like this side where I guess we'll call them like popsicle sticks or support sticks are glued to the back of the pumpkin. But what I'm going to do, just taking some Waverly Antique Wax, I'm going to paint the bottom part of the pumpkin. Well, the bottom, the flat surface of the pumpkin. I'm going to paint those sticks. We're going to call them, like I said, support sticks. We're going to paint those white. And I found, oh my gosh, guys, first time this year, I found those wooden words. It was like a 6-pack of all these different words. So excited. So I'm happy to find those. I think I bought like 2 packages because, you know, you can always use more than enough. So here you see me just painting the white on those pieces. And I'm going to paint the Hello Autumn sign white as well. So I just think it looks I think it looks perfect just right in the middle of those 2 sticks. And I'm just going to use some hot glue. So I got this package of raffia from the Dollarama, I think for $1.50. I bought another pack as well that had like pale pink and pale purple and white. Guys, I don't think I've ever seen white raffia at the Dollar Tree or the Dollarama. So when I saw it in this package, I was like, yes, I have to have it. So I just thought, you know what? I'm going to make some neutral DIYs. If you haven't guessed it already, this DIY looks pretty neutral to me. And I think I love it so much because it can go with a lot of different decor. And you can keep this out all season. So I just made a simple raffia bow, just kind of crisscrossing the pieces, tying a piece in the middle. And now with those loops, I'm just going to cut them open. And that way it just kind of gives it that nice little messy look bow. So you see me doing that right here. I had these package of leaves. I picked those up from the Dollarama last year. I can't remember the price of them, but you guys know, like Dollarama is usually $1.50 to $1.75 for craft supplies. Usually the wooden supplies are $1.25 to $1.50, excuse me. So I just hot glued it to the center of the bow just to kind of make it look like a little button. Again, you guys can customize this, of course. So what I'm going to do, just to cover those holes in the pumpkin, I'm just taking some of this floral wire from the Dollarama and taking these wooden beads. I did pick up this package from Amazon. There was 4 different sizes of wooden beads. Guys, I've had these wooden beads ever since I started my YouTube channel, like almost, we're talking 2.5 years ago. So these things last forever. So I'm just going to thread the wire through one of the holes. And you see here, I just made all the beads. I just threaded all the beads on the wire. This way I can actually stand this wooden handle up rather than it flopping over like you would have with just a regular jute twine. So again, just twisting it in those 2 holes, and that is it. And just to stand it up, I'm taking a clothespin, opening them up, using them as legs, hot gluing them to the back, and voila. What do you guys think of this DIY? I absolutely love this. I really love the neutral colors just to go with any sort of decor that you have. I love it so much. All right, guys. So for the challenge today, it is Hello Harvest. I love it. We have hosts Ellie with DIY from House to Home. We have Tammy with the Rusted Willow, and we have guest host Sun's Art. I'm going to leave all of their links and this awesome playlist link in the description box. I would love it if you guys could go over and say hi from me. You will not be disappointed. All right, guys, moving on to the second DIY. Oh my gosh, guys, this board, I have had it for probably a year and a half now. I bought it from the Dollarama. It is a little pricier. It is $4, but it is a really good quality piece of wood. I absolutely love it. So here you just see me using some Waverly Antique Wax, painting the whole entire thing with the wax. Now this Harvest Wishes. Oh my gosh, how perfect for this challenge harvest. I'm just taking this apart. It is from the Dollar Tree. What I want to do, I just want it to stand out ever so slightly. This is going to be the simplest DIY, I think, but I'm just taking some of this spackle from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to cover these holes because I do not want them showing, and I'm not going to be using them to hang anything. So I just put some spackle, let it dry for like 10 to 15 minutes. Now I'm going to take some white acrylic paint, just painting the Harvest Wishes in white, keeping the leaf plain for now. So now I'm just going to paint the leaf. I'm just going to use some yellow and a little tiny bit of red. I really wanted to make it look like that really warm, rustic looking orange, really deep color. So I'm just going to paint the leaf, make it a thin coat because I really love the detail of those lines in the middle of the leaves, or the veins of the leaves, shall we say. That way they will still show through. And guys, that is it. Like, check this out. Super simple DIY. I'm just hot gluing it right to the center. I'm not adding a bow or anything to this. You guys know I love bows, but today this DIY, I think it is absolutely perfect just the way it is. Like, what do you guys think? Does this look like something you can get from Marshall's? Oh, I love it. So this thing probably cost me, with the $4 wood, this was $5 to make. I have no words to express how much I love it. All right, guys, moving on to the third and final DIY. This I already had from a previous DIY. I just kind of kept it the way it is. I took off the foliage that was on it. These little fences came from the Dollar Tree. Those little wood planks came from the Dollar Tree as well. They were like a 6-pack of wooden planks. So again, just took it apart. Now, I just wanted to make it a little bit more neutral and fall-like, of course. So I had these brown sunflowers. I thought, perfect, let's use them for this DIY. Just using one, hot gluing it to the bottom right corner. Again, this is customizable as well. And I'm trying to cover up that little part at the bottom. When I ripped off the flowers from the previous DIY, I ripped off some of the wood. Very fragile wood, just to let you know. So just putting some foliage and a couple other little leaves. This little gather sign, it was in the center of one of the shadow boxes from the Dollar Tree. I just picked it off, kept it for a future DIY, and perfect. It came in handy for today. I absolutely love this little DIY. What do you guys think? I think it's super neutral. Again, I went with the whole neutral theme in this video, just to change it up a little bit from the traditional oranges and reds for fall. What do you guys think? What is your favorite DIY out of this whole video? Thank you guys so much for watching my video, especially if you guys are new. Thank you so much. Hopefully you will stick around and subscribe to my channel. And thank you to all obviously my favorite subscribers who are part of my channel already. Thank you so much for all your continued support. You guys, remember too, I also have an Instagram account called Shannon's Crafty DIYs. Go over there, say hi. I will definitely respond to you guys there as well. And that is it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click that bell button to be notified every time I upload a new video. That is it. I hope you have a fabulous weekend. We'll see you guys later. Bye.